Come, that juice is here. Come. Huh?
So we need to come and share one money.
Daddy.
I'm not coming.
Which one do you want? I think this is pineapple. Last one.
I won't cook you.
I'm not doing it for you. Are you not ready? Ready? Say thank you. Lick it now. Why you mark them? Everything's gonna be lovely because I'm just another guy, just another mother, just another mother. Mommy, come. Don't get your shirt, okay? Thank you. Be lovely.
Papa,
She's even going to get it.